First, diagnose if your HP Omen 16 is truly not powering on or simply displaying a black screen. Confirm the power adapter is securely connected to both the laptop and a working wall outlet. Check the charging indicator light on the laptop. If it's not lit, try a different outlet and ensure the adapter is functional. Next, try a hard reset. Disconnect the power adapter, then press and hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds. Reconnect the adapter and try turning it on again. Finally, if you see signs of life but no display, connect the laptop to an external monitor via HDMI to rule out display issues. If an external monitor works, the problem is likely with the laptop's screen or display adapter. If the hard reset doesn't work and the laptop still won't turn on, there are more advanced steps. Try removing the battery if it's easily accessible and removable on your model. Consult your laptop's manual first. Then, connect the power adapter and attempt to power it on. If it turns on without the battery itself may be faulty. Another thing to check is the RAM. Open the access panel of your computer and make sure the RAM is properly installed and seated. If the issue persists, it could indicate a more significant hardware problem like motherboard failure. At this point, it's best to contact HP support directly or take your laptop to a qualified repair technician. Make sure to provide them with all the troubleshooting steps you've already tried.